Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. There are some hot deals. I'll walk you through what I got, as well as tons of other deals that you don't see here on the table, including lots of grocery deals. Also, I want to mention clearance. Look at your freezer section. Tons of things on clearance in the freezer section. Ice cream, Tyson chicken, there were some meatballs, the cauliflower, pizza, all of that was marked on clearance at my store, so definitely check that out. A couple other things to keep in mind this week. One, everyone should have the spend 30, get $7 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. So clip that if you haven't already. I'll talk about how to use that here in just a moment. Also, if you're placing a curbside order, try the code WAG10. That should take 10% off, as well as a look at the code EGG15, which is going to take 15% off of purchases over $35 or more. And I do have a scenario for you combining the booster and that digital coupon. Before I get into all of that, I do want to say welcome to all the new followers. I appreciate that, or subscribers, I guess is what it's called here on YouTube. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. It is completely free to subscribe. You'll just see my videos more frequently when they come out. But because so many people are new to couponing, I get a lot of beginner questions. So I wanted to let you know, I do have a complete beginners series. Like if you go to my main YouTube page, so youtube.com/savingwithchristina, you're going to see a playlist for beginners at Walgreens. And I walk you through like the basic stuff. How to use register rewards, how to use coupons, what Walgreens Cash is, how to use it, all of those things you can find on that beginner playlist. And if I can remember, I'll try to pin it down in the comments for you. Okay, so let's talk about a freebie that you can snag on a curbside order. It's this Bausch & Lomb Eye Relief eye wash. It is $5.99. There is a $3 manufacturer digital as well as a $3 store digital. It will automatically adjust down to be the cost of the product, making your final cost free for this. Now, I don't know if this is a price error or what, but this big thing of Persil was marked 2 for $8 online or 1 for $4.99. Now, my store only had one of them, but it's actually a little bit of a better deal, I think. $4.99 for one, but there's an Ibotta offer for $3 back. So that made this 40 count pack of Persil just $1.99. So great price. Now I can't promise you that that's going to stay on the Walgreens website. I'm not sure if they intended the 40 count pack to be marked $4.99 and 2 for $8 or not, but double check your store. Like I said, mine only had one in stock, so I picked up one, submitted to Ibotta and got the $3 back, making it just $1.99. Now, another deal, and this one is might be hit or miss for y'all. Not all the stores around me carry the Rimmel products, but there are coupons as well as Ibotta offers for the Rimmel products. Now, this was the cheapest eye product that I could find. Again, my store only had one of them, which is why I got the eye pencil. These are $2.69. The eye pencil was $2.99, but this is going to be your cheapest option. So let's say you get 2 of these at $2.69. I had a $2 digital and a $1 digital. Okay, you would pay $2.38 for both of them, getting back $4 on Ibotta, making them both completely free, and $1.62 moneymaker. So super good deal on the Rimmel. And when I submitted to Ibotta, it didn't automatically pick it up. I had to actually scan the products, but they did scan as qualifying, so I did get that $4 back on Ibotta for the Rimmel. Now, let's talk about another hot Ibotta offer, getting Walgreens cash back as well. It's on the Pure Zero products. So the Pure Zero shampoos and conditioners are $6.99. But when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get $7 in Walgreens cash back. And there's an Ibotta offer for $6.99 back when you purchase 2. So that makes them completely free. Now, you can do a very similar thing with the dry shampoo. It's just a tiny bit more expensive, $7.99 for both of them. So you want to pick up I said both of them, $7.99 each, right? You're gonna get $7 in Walgreens cash back, then $7.99 back on Ibotta, making it 99 cents for 2. But if you're doing the quick math, right, if we put these together, that's getting us really close to 30 bucks. So I did this in a spend scenario, which I'm gonna walk you through here in a second. If you just wanted to get these and not do a spend deal, place it as a curbside order, use that code WAG10 because that's gonna make them a money maker for you. I ended up using the code EGG15 to get 15% off and making it an even better deal. So I'm gonna walk you through that here in a moment, I promise. But let me talk about this last deal that I did. Now, I placed an order for the regular ginger ale, which y'all know is my favorite. They substituted it for the sugar-free or zero sugar. Has anyone tried this? Let me know, like, is it gonna be any good? Because I'm really nervous about it, but hopeful that it will actually taste decent and then I'm not getting the sugar as well. But these are 3 for $11.99. There is a $1 digital, so you're getting 3 packs of the ginger ale for just $10.99. Awesome deal. There is another deal on soda. The Coke. They are buy 2, get 2 free. So those are $19.98 for 4 of them or $4.99 a pack on the Coke. These ended up being like $3.66 a pack after that $1 digital coupon. Now, let's talk about the Nature's Bounty real quick. I have a shop kick offer for these, and I have an exclusive shop kick offer for those of you who use the Shopkick app, which you know I do. I've used it for a long time. I like the app. Let's talk about the deal first, then I'll tell you about the exclusive code. So the Nature's Bounty, these are $9.99 each. They are buy 1, get 1 free. There is a $3 digital coupon. So you'll pay $6.29, getting back $4.80 on Shopkick, leaving your final cost to be $1.49 for both, or just 74 cents each. Now, if you have a $4 off 2 coupon, I did not, but if you have that one, that would make this an even better deal. But if you use Shopkick, go to, there's a little person in the top left-hand corner when you open the app. Click on that, you're gonna see something that says, have a code. Enter the code SWC500, okay? When you submit any receipt of 100 points back or more within 14 days, you're gonna get an additional $2 back. So let's say you do this deal, okay, after you've entered that code, you're gonna get an additional $2 back for submitting the receipt, which makes both of these completely free. All right, now let me tell you how I used my spin booster, then I'm gonna get to the other deals for this week. So because these got me super close to 30, I combined this with the Nature's Bounty and the Persil all in one curbside order, okay? That put me at $41.94. I needed to be high enough that I could use the coupon code EGG15 and get 15% off, but still be above $30 to get that $7 in Walgreens cash back. So EGG15 took off $6.29. I paid $35.65. I did pay that out of pocket. I got back $7 for buying the Pure Zero dry shampoo, $7 for buying the Pure Zero regular shampoo. I got back $7 for spending $30. So that's $21 back in Walgreens cash. I got back the $3 on Ibotta for the Persil. I got back the $6.99 on Ibotta for the Pure Zero, the $7.99 on Ibotta for the Pure Zero dry shampoo, and then the $4.80 on Shopkick for the Nature's Bounty, making all of those items completely free and an $8.13 moneymaker. Now, if you use that code SWC500, you get another $2 back, making it a $10 moneymaker. So that's how I used my spend booster this week. Just be careful. Once you enter that coupon code, your total has to be above $30 before tax right? So it's got to be above $30 before taxes factored in for you to get your $7 in Walgreens cash back for your digital booster. Hopefully that was clear. Now, let's talk about a few other deals going on this week. Grocery deals, there's mayo for $5.49. There's a $3 digital, making it just $2.49. The Pringles are buy one, get one free. That makes them $1.74 each. Cashews are just on sale for $2.98. The Cheez-Its are buy one, get one free. That makes them $9.49 for both, or $4.74 each. The Lay's potato chips, also buy one, get one free at $4.59, makes them $2.29 per bag. Bacon is on sale for $8. The bags, the complete home bags, buy one, get two free. That makes them 93 cents each. Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, buy one, get two free. It makes them $7.49 for three of them, or $2.49 each. If you get the like crystals, the like odor eliminator crystals, they have an Ibotta offer. So they're buy one, get two free, but then you're gonna get $1 back on each of them from Ibotta, which makes them $4.49 for all three of them, or $1.49 each. Whew, I feel like that was a lot, but I think I said everything. I will include more deals right after I finish talking in pictures. And hopefully you can just snag pictures of that or write it down, because there are some other good deals that I wanted to share with you, as well as clearance pictures at the end of the video. I think that was everything I wanted to tell you. Now I am off to see my son in a show. Thanks.